Many people will be shocked about your comeback. Your comeback is going to go down in history. It's going to be talked about as being epic. You have branched out, or for some of you, this is future tense. You have become independent. You have moved away from people, places, and things that have casted doubt upon you. You are moving away from codependency and stepping into your true power. You may have told people about your goals, about your plans, and you realize that you lack support. You realize that people didn't believe in you, but you believed in you. Many people are going to be saddened by the fact that you have moved away. And by you moving away, it's part of you reclaiming back your power, because in order for you to gain what you need to gain, some people do have to be left behind. Some people are going to be all up in their head because of the fear of what you are going to create. It's not that they didn't believe in you. They were just fearful that you would believe in you. And you are going to redo things that you should have done a long time ago. But Spirit is saying everything is all in good time. And for some of you, you were unable to execute your goals and execute your plans because you were tied up in certain situations, tied up with certain people, ex-partners, money situations that kept you stagnant and stuck. Maybe you needed a certain amount of money to invest in a goal, to move away, to get your own place, to go on holiday, whatever the case is, to get products for, a business, or to join something. Possibly for some of you a gym, because I'm looking at the Page of Wands, and the Page of Wands to me is my Aries card, and Aries are ruled by the planet Mars, and Mars represents action, taking action, as well as your SMEGS drives, how you go after your goals, etc. So I feel like this reading is going to be, or is about, your transformation. People didn't want you to transform. People wanted you to stay stuck. But we have to elevate, right? We have to evolve. And some of you may transform your image. Some of you may gain weight. Some of you may lose weight. Put on muscle. You're going to be looking great regardless. And some people are not going to like this because they want you to be in that stuck energy of not feeling good enough, so that they can control you, so that you accept crumbs, so that you're not confident to say no. You're stepping into a new energy where you will be putting yourself first, your needs first, because for so long you've been appeasing others and getting nothing back in return. Just depletion, dissatisfaction, feeling as if your life is passing you by, having stress. For some of you, sleepless nights and nightmares, unfortunately. Not looking forward to the next day. Existing, not living. And some of these people want you to stay in that energy, to serve them. So they're going to be clinging on to your energy. But they can cling on some more, because you are evolving. You're no longer a match for these individuals, or you will no longer be a match for these individuals. Some of you are listening to this video right now and you're thinking, how empath butterflies? It all starts with you. You have to make that change. You have to say to yourself, enough is enough. I want better for myself. You have to go within. You have to do the healing work. You have to look at your patterns. You have to unpack a lot of different things. You have to start treating yourself the way you want others to treat you. Because if you wait for others to treat you like the king or queen that you are, unfortunately, in some cases, you'll be waiting a long time. You have to be the change to see that change. And once you start taking yourself seriously, oh boy, you're going to rise to the top. You're going to rise to the top in regards to getting better. Getting better in regards to your career. Because you will have the confidence to go after what it is that you want. Some of you are going to apply for a role and you're going to get it. And this ain't no mediocre role. This role is a role whereby you are respected, and in any role you should be respected, right? But this is a role whereby you may have idolized this role. You may have thought, you know what, I know I can do that. But something was holding you back. But you're going to get to that position where you are going to be in that position that you always looked up to. Knowing in some cases that you can do the job better than some people. But because of the confidence at the time, you couldn't visualize yourself in that role. Some of you are going to get a massive pay rise. Some of you are going to be recognized for your skills and talents at work. Some of you will gain fame. I know not all of you want to be famous, but some of you are going to gain fame in your community, especially at work. Being well renowned for whatever it is that you do, in whatever field of work that you work in. You're going to have name fame. Some of you, you're going to have to disappear for a while. Cut a few people off. Focus on you. You know, some people, even if you live with others, they're going to be like, how come you're so quiet? Because you're busy building your future. And for some of you, a future that they laughed about, because some of these individuals try to drill it in your head to make you believe that you will never achieve anything. You will never get that house. You will never get that car. You will never get that partner. You will never get that job. You will never go on holiday. You will never be seen like this, or whatever it is that they try to condition you to think. And they're going to be shocked because they're going to see how others respond to you. Some of you are going to win a trophy, some type of award for your skills and talents. Some of you could be in the performing arts world. Some of you could be dancers, choreographers, singers, actors, athletes, computer technicians. And many people who thought they were better than you are going to have to take notice and put respect on your name, because you're going to be seen as the truth. And people are going to be wondering, how did they do it? We thought that they gave up. You see, they were betting on you giving up. But you are a powerhouse. You are cut from a different cloth, my darling. And you allowed your fears to fuel you towards victory and success. You shed a lot of tears. And for some of you, you had to accept that you're going to have to do whatever it is that you want to do on your own. You decided to pour into yourself. And when you start taking yourself seriously, so much things start to shift and change around you. You started to shift away from having negative thought patterns, and you started to believe, even if it felt delusional. You started to think to yourself, imagine if I did achieve that goal. You started to feel how it would feel. Then you started to visualize, and then you started to become. And the universe decided, or will decide, to pay you in kind, because you are on your way to major success. I'm talking about generational legacy.